Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin ang schedule ng Cocalium Shipping Lines para sa mga sumusunod na biyahe. Dumaguete to Dapitan. Ang biyahe is every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday around at 7 a.m. Dapitan to Cebu every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Dapitan to Dumaguete every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Cebu Dapitan at 8 p.m. every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Cebu Dumaguete Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Dumaguete to Cebu, it's Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. Para naman sa Osamis Iligan, every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Meron din Iligan to Cebu every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday also at 4 p.m. Cebu Iligan at 7 p.m. Iligan to Osamis at 4 p.m. Cebu Osamis 7 p.m. Osamis to Cebu 8 p.m. Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Para sa Cebu Osamis, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Para naman sa Nasipit o Hagna, every 12 noon on Monday and Tuesday. Cebu to Nasipit, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, 7 p.m. Nasipit to Cebu, it's at 7 p.m. departure, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Para naman sa Hagna to Cebu, Hagna to Nasipit, it's Monday and Tuesday. Cagayan to Hagna, it's every Saturday at 12 noon. Hagna to Cagayan, every Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Cebu Hagna, every Monday and Sunday at 7 p.m. Para naman sa Cebu to Masao, every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Masao to Cebu, every Wednesday. Calbayog Cebu every Sunday and Thursday. Cebu Calbayog every Wednesday and Saturday. Cagayan to Cebu every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, 7 p.m. departure. Ang Cebu to Cagayan naman is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Cebu to Iloilo every Sunday and Thursday only at 7 p.m. And Iloilo to Cebu is every Monday and Friday at 7 p.m. Cebu Maasin is every Monday. Maasin to Cebu every Tuesday. Masbate to Cebu every Sunday. Cebu Masbate every Saturday. Cebu Panumpon every Friday. Panumpon to Cebu every Saturday at 8 a.m. Cebu Surigao every Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Surigao to Cebu naman every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 7 p.m. And Ubay Cebu at 8 a.m. every day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And Cebu, that's 8 a.m. departure. And Cebu Ubay also every day at 8 p.m. Kindly visit Cocalium Shipping Lines Facebook page for more details. Thank you.